Hi, guys. I am the AfroGirl, and welcome to MX Breaks, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off with our very first story. Now, the first wave of performers for the Maiden Afro Nation Nigeria has been announced, and Black Sheriff is a part of them. Now, the two-day event will be headlined by superstars Blacko, of course, Burna Boy, J Hus, Flavor, and Shay Vibes. Congratulations to all of them, especially our very own Blacko. Now, moving on, Ochiame Kwame has shared that fixing a nation starts with self-improvement rather than solely relying on politicians for national development. His message comes at a time when political discourse and expectations are running high amidst the Occupy Julobi House demonstration. Responding to a question about who do you believe will fix the country, Ochiame Kwame asserted that no single leader, no matter how capable, can single-handedly fix all of the country's challenges. Many Ghanaians expressed frustration with the musician's sentiments, believing that his remarks exonerated the political leadership from accountability for the country's challenges. Now we have some of the tweets he put out. So this was the main tweet. Nashoko posted, "Who do you believe will fix the country?" And then he responded, you will fix the country, starting with your health, then mindset, then your family, then your work. If we all start a small light in our little corners, Ghana will become bright. All the names you have mentioned can also light a small flame. However, Ghana cannot be fixed by one man. No messiah in politics. Now, he went on, there was another tweet where someone says, your opinion was heard and understood loudly when you were silent. You should have maintained that. And he responded, my opinion is I don't trust partisan politics. At 47 years old, I know nobody is interested in fixing the motorway that destroys my shocks every month. So I will work hard to be able to afford the mechanic. A lot of people are angry at Ochiame Kwame because, I mean, apart from the fact that, yes, your shocks may get spoiled on the motorway, how do you fix yourself when you can die on the motorway? How do you fix yourself in that scenario? There are a lot of reasons, there are a lot of things that happen in Ghana that is way beyond fixing yourself. You pay taxes so that some people can fix certain problems in the country. But guys, moving on, J. Dublé Ambule says he believes that musicians do not need to release hits consistently to stay relevant. According to him, contrary to the widely held perception that a musician needs to release hits consistently to stay relevant, he believes that carefully making music that resonates with people is the way to go. According to him, if you dream of making a name for yourself in this industry, you need to go harder, make timeless music, focus on the quality of your music and the issues you want to tackle so that your audience can best relate with your craft even when you go silent for a while. If you're only looking at getting gigs to play, then you can focus on making hits because that is what event organizers want. Huh? Now, moving on, Naira Marley, in a new press release, has reacted to allegations made against him and his label after former signee Mohbad's death. In a statement released on Tuesday, September 26th, Naira Marley insisted that he was innocent and was not involved in the death of Mohbad. Moving to our last story, Samini has made claims against rapper Sarkodie, alleging that he exploits fellow artists during collaborations. He accused Sarkodie of using artists for his own gain while asking which of his songs is big on its own. He went on to recount a specific incident to emphasize his point. According to him, he recorded Sark's song within 24 hours, and so he expected the same energy from him. However, it was the opposite. This public dispute follows Samini's earlier complaints about Sarkodie not responding to his collaboration requests for the 2021 Burning EP, and when asked on a radio interview, he shrugged off the topic. Samini mentioned that he contributed his part to the track Love Rock for free, but when he needed Sarkodie's help, he didn't get it. But guys, that's about it for MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment and lifestyle. We at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow at MX24GH. I'm out.